In this video, I'll talk about how you can get free gifts on Temu. Now on Temu, you can actually get free gifts in many different ways, and let me talk about how you can do it. So for the first one, there will be daily check-in rewards. Now this only works on the Temu app, so make sure that you download the app and go to the daily check-in section. Now you can do this every single day to get rewards, and the more you do it in a row, the bigger rewards you will get. Now the other one is the Temu referral program. You can join this by Googling affiliate program Temu, sign up in here, and basically how this works is you'll get a special code. So these are my special codes. If I copy this code, copy link, and I copy the code, and I send it to someone and they sign up using this code, I will get a commission. So I'll get money if they use my code when they sign up. So there's also some other rules, like they have to order something or stuff like that, but you can read that in the details. Now, the third one is you can participate in promotions. So on Black Friday, on Christmas, stuff like this, Temu will make promotions that you can participate in. Now on the app, you can also join the spin to win, which is a reel, and you can join games on Temu on the app as well. So that way you can also earn free stuff. Now the fifth one would be to sign up to their email newsletter, because sometimes they send you big discount codes or even free codes that you can use on the email. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.